Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify integrate Salesforce data into a no-code app, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the Salesforce data you wish to integrate into your no-code app. Log into your Salesforce account and navigate to the data section. Export the necessary data as a CSV file or utilize Salesforce's API for direct access. Choose a no-code app platform that supports data integration. Sign up for the platform if you haven't already. Access the dashboard of your chosen no-code app platform. Locate the integration or data import section within the dashboard. Select the option to connect to external data sources. If using a CSV file, upload your exported Salesforce data. Follow the prompts to map the fields from your CSV to the app's data structure. If using the API, enter the required credentials and endpoint details. Test the connection to ensure that the app can access your Salesforce data. Once connected, configure the data sync settings according to your requirements. Decide if you want a one-time import or a recurring sync. Review the data mapping to correct any discrepancies. Once satisfied, initiate the data integration process. Wait for the integration to complete. Check the no-code app to verify that the Salesforce data appears correctly. If necessary, adjust the data settings in the app to ensure proper functionality. Continue to monitor the integration for any errors or data inconsistencies. This complete guide should help you successfully integrate Salesforce data into your no-code app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.